Hi guys, today's tutorial is this cute little card purse. It's a 3-compartment purse. I store all of my cards in this one. So let's get started with the supplies that we need for this. I'm using 100% cotton fabric as my main fabric. It measures 7 by 5 inches and this non-woven fabric also measures the same. This is a very thick kind of non-woven fabric. So I'm not using any interfacing for this because this is thick enough to give structure to my purse. And I'm also not going to quilt this today. So apart from these two, we also need two pieces that measure 3 inches by 5 inches for the inner pockets. And then I'm using a very long zipper for this project today. So first I'm going to pin the pockets to the lining fabric. I'm using a non-woven fabric here, so I'm not going to worry about the right side or the wrong side. But if you're using any other fabric, just pin your pockets to the right side of your lining fabric. Repeat the same process for the other pocket as well. So after pinning the pockets, just make sure that you've left a gap of 1/2 centimeter in the center and 1 centimeter in the top and in the bottom. I'm going to join the sides now. So I'm done sewing the sides. You can join the pockets in the center if you want, but I want to leave it off like that. I'm going to trim the edges now.
So we are done with the lining piece.
Now I'm going to treat the pocket side as the right side of my lining fabric because the pockets are going to go into the purse like this. Now to attach the zipper, I have the right side of my main fabric face up and the zipper face down. I'm lining the zipper with a 5-inch side and then align the lining fabric face down. So basically the zipper is going to be sandwiched between the right sides of the main fabric and the lining fabric. Now I'm going to pin this in place. So once I'm done pinning, I'm going to open the zipper so that the zipper pull is out of the way. This is the reason why I used a long zipper. It just makes it very easy to sew. So I'm done sewing this side, you can see it.
Now I'm going to do a top stitch right there.
Now to do a top stitch, I'm going to close the zipper. And I'm just going to press it in place. You can iron this if you want. And I'm going to do a top stitch right there. So I'm done top stitching this.
Now I'm going to line the opposite edge of my main fabric with the other side of.
Now to sew the other side, just fold the main fabric and the line fabric as shown here.
And then I'm going to bring the lining side to the other side of the zipper as well. So the zipper is again sandwiched between the right sides of the main fabric and the lining fabric. And just
make sure the edges are lined up before you pin.
Alright.
Once you're done pinning, unzip the zipper.
Used a long zipper. I just find it a lot more easier to sew with this kind of zippers. And then I'm just going to open this up.
Now sew this side. So I'm done sewing the other side. To do a top stitch, I'm going to turn the fabric right side out.
I'm just going to do a top stitch right there.
Press everything down neatly or iron it if you want. So I'm done top stitching the other side as well. You can see it. Now bring the zipper pull to the center to trim off the excess zipper.
To cut off the excess zipper.
I'm going to save this zipper for another project. I'm creating a zipper stop here. I'm just going over the zipper 2 to 3 times.
Just going over 2 to 3 times.
To join the sides, just turn the purse wrong side out
Of the sides. I'm just going to align the edges.
Line up the edges to pin the sides. Now join the sides catching the lining fabric and the main fabric. I've joined the sides. Trim off the excess fabric from the 2 sides. Sew the open ends of the zipper as shown here. Turn the purse right side out and push out all the corners. And that's it, you have your very own card purse.
Subscribe to my channel for more videos.
I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.